Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-Roc Cabriolet R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in the gorgeous Vienna blue metallic. It's got that 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox for seamless gear changes. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you'll benefit from these LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side we've got these 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors as well. Moving towards the rear, there's a generous amount of boot space available with those split folding seats, so plenty of room for multiple suitcases there. Moving inside, you get the lovely optionally fitted Vienna leather upholstery, with that contrasting white stitching, and at the front is a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, alongside an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel is a full digital display, housing all your vital driving information. You've also got a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's multiple assistance systems also available to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including side assist and much more. You've also got multiple driving modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings, which is backed up by this optionally fitted rear view camera. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, there's dual zone climate control on offer with heated front seats, again perfect for cold winter mornings, with a little bit of storage below with the optionally fitted wireless phone charging and a couple more USB-C ports. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.